Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and delicious healthy snack using just simple few ingredients. It's kids friendly and trust me, once you make this recipe, it's going to be your new favorite snack. So let's jump right in. We'll start by prepping the dates. You want to make sure your dates are heated. If they aren't, then slide them open and remove the seeds. These dates will act as the base of our snack, which is going to give our snack that natural sweetness. Next, I went ahead to place them on a tray lined with parchment paper and then mash them up. Once that is done, I will go ahead to add in some peanut butter. Then we'll spread it out evenly. Now to add some crunch, I'm going to use pistachio and walnuts, but you can use any nut you have available, okay? Now we'll go ahead to add in some melted chocolate over the nut. Then spread it out evenly. Now once I'm done, I'll go ahead to pop it into the freezer for some few hours. And there you have it. Your delicious, healthy snack is ready. You just go ahead and cut them into your preferred size, and that is it. Your family will enjoy it and your kids will love it. It's so delicious. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try this recipe. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!